Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can convert YouTube video to MP3. So now I'm on my channel and let's suppose I'm going to have this video. So click on three dots and you need to have this video in your PC first. So wait for few seconds and in few seconds I have this video in my PC, and after that you need to download VLC media player. So I already download this for my Windows, and after that you need to open this and click on media, and once you are here you need to click on convert and save. Click on add and let me select that video. Okay, and here you can see convert and save. Click here and here you need to select the MP3, and here you can see the destination. So I'm going to have this on my desktop, and then you need to click on start, and in few seconds it will convert that into the MP3. So here you can see that. So this is the complete process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.